Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Bilal Sarwari mentioned there is violence throughout the country, and this is ongoing from last couple of months. And Taliban increased the violence. Instead, they come to the peace, and so far there is no evidence to support the Taliban readiness for peace and dialogue. Although the government Islamic Republic of Afghanistan sent a delegation to Qatar a year ago and express a willingness to begin unconditional talk. The Taliban waste a year on a formal and unnecessary words. Whenever there is international pressure on the Taliban, they come to Pakistan to get a direction and instruction from them, then come to Qatar with a new proposal. They are only attending the meetings, such as they went to the Moscow, which is a new result, new agenda, and new content. The government of Afghanistan offered them a permanent ceasefire, but Taliban continue their distraction activity. You can see the several district buildings were bombed and destroyed. But again, the government of Afghanistan is committed to protect the country and to defend the country, to defend our sovereignty. It is our country, we need to work. And the people of Afghanistan is now, most of them, all of them are with our military forces, and they are stand against the Taliban because Taliban only impose their forces and their violence to take control on the district and some villages, and most of them, they are coming through violence. People don't want Taliban. People not happy with Taliban. Taliban are not committed to the human rights, women rights. If you see those districts under the Taliban, there is no public services. There are no services. If you ask the Taliban what you will provide the public services, their answer will be what services they need, they only to be alive. This is something that the Taliban want, but government, the military forces are capable to protect the people and the country. It is a proxy war. It is not the war of the Afghanistan. It is a proxy war. It is imposed on our country. You see the government of Afghanistan from the spot, and even if the government of Afghanistan was not part of the agreement which Taliban signed with the United States, but with a willingness for the good intention, the government of Afghanistan committed for peace. They release all their prisoners, and when there is some other condition from them, and they apply all the conditions. But from the Taliban side, there is nothing that they are committed for that agreement as well. Government still have their delegation in Qatar, and the Qatar delegation is fully authorized to negotiate with the Taliban and to continue the talk. But Taliban is not ready, and they are only using, and they are planning to come back to get a power, to use their force, which the people in Afghanistan, the government will not allow them. Afghanistan will not ask the international community to come back, but he asked to continue their financial and technical support for the military forces. We have the best military forces, and they are capable to protect and defend the country and the people of Afghanistan. This is the where I can say this is not a good time, and the international and NATO forces are leaving, and Taliban, with the support of the Pakistan, increase their violence and in everywhere. But you will see it will be gradually taking back most of the district, and government has planned to take control these districts back to the government under control.